right along Highway 28, so that would be an area that could get hit by this rotation, and it is just rotation at this point. There's potential for some golf ball size hail on this thing as well. But it's wrapped up pretty tight right there. What you're looking at is the green are raindrops going towards the radar, the red are raindrops going away, and right there, they're actually not passing each other like two cars on a highway. What's actually happening is they're rotating. So the radar's picking them up going this direction as it goes away from the radar.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Clinton County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Washington County in south-central Illinois, east-central St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Freeburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Muscuda and Scott Air Force Base around 7:25 p.m., New Baden and New Memphis around 7:35 p.m., Albers around 7:40 p.m., Okawville and Germantown around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm includes Bartelso, Frotown, Fayetteville, Posey, Hughley, Johannesburg, Thanidi, New Minden, Eddyville, and Covington. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 23 and 50. This also includes Gordon Lake State Park and the Missouri State Capitol Historic Site and Ramsey Lake State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.
And that, man, that rotation's, I mean, absolutely buried in rain right now.